Even though I tell you anytime you're ready to pass through, you can come through. May I come to you? If you bring Candomari, I have Candomari.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell. It's important, guys, so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Today me there with a prank phone. Me there with a banger prank phone. And before me even tell you what me I gonna do, I know somebody go watch like Iandra, you idle bad. I agree. Because why would I even come up with such an idea? Anyways, still I gotta do it because I'm idle. So, Jason gone on the road, right? And me I go hide underneath the bed. To see what Jason would I do when him reach home, and also me go frighten him. So me go call him and tell him to me I go up on the road and me soon come back. So that way when him reach home, then him feel like me up on the road. But really and truly, me dey underneath the bed. And then after when him feel like him alone there, me just frighten him. You know what I love to say that? Alright, what me I gotta do right now is I go call Jason and tell him say me I run up on the road and me soon come back. That's step one. Babe? Me I run up on the road and come back here. Me soon come back.
Yeah, go on the road?
Yeah, me I go to supermarket and more a few stuff.
Alright, let's go forward in and somebody at time shop up.
You soon come?
Yeah, I'm going to shop, but you can't go do your thing,
Alright then. Me did go wait for you if you carry me, but me go just go.
Alright, just be safe on the road, dear.
Alright.
Please be militant.
Baby, yes. You know somebody did actually wait for you, but me said no, let me just run, go and come back.
Alright, then go do your thing.
Alright.
You can manage.
Alright. Guys, that means that Jason is far from home. So me da go walk on through the entire process, but me not go bother. Me go prep everything right now. So me go set up the camera. So me go have my phone underneath the bed. Me go set up one in the hall and one in the room where me go underneath the bed there. Yeah, that makes sense? Yeah. Alright. Me need my purse, me need my bag, me need to lock off the light them, me need to turn off the fan. Me need to move fast. Alright guys, so this is the big camera number 1. So this is camera number 2. So me go get something to hide it. Guys, we want the camera to just, you know, blend in with the stuff them on the bed. So I'm gonna surround the camera with clothes. The bed here, wait, my autofocus. Guys, me go on that bed now.
Yeah. That lid feel like a lot. Whoa. Whoa. Spin. Whoa. Plug up my mic, everyone. You know.
This not look good.
Either Iandra set this up to see what me had when we come home, or she there when I brought me. Alright, me had to lie, me don't know. Me don't know.
Yeah man, you remember me there tell us say, yeah man, me can't talk man, I want the home. You remember me there tell us anytime you're ready for pass through, you can come through. Which one do you know? You're not that far. You're about like 12 minutes from me. 10, 12 minutes from me. May I come to you? If you bring candleberry, I have candleberry. Alright? Say no more. Now left out now is in, so I'm going to be plating, you know.
Wow!
What you do here?
Wow!
What you do here?
Wow!
Just come back. What you do here?
Wow!
What babe, what you do
I
here?
hear everything. Don't
Wait,
hear no.
don't bother with that, babe. Don't bother with that, babe. What you
Yes,
do
I
here?
hear everything. Come in here and I'm chatting with you.
Sure, I don't know video me. What you do? What you do this one? What you do?
We are going to look for.
Me say me help somebody.
Yes, so,
Let me show you that book. I don't know what you're talking about.
yes, I just hear the on the phone. I say you have a look, you have to come.
Me?
No.
After me now, you give me. Ah, you're good, you know, say it in there.
You never
That's why you know,
know.
say it in there, man.
Babe, how you know somebody in there? You never know somebody in
You
there.
think so when I come to
You're
say,
cheating on me?
what?
You're cheating on me?
I'm not cheating.
You're cheating on me.
I'm not cheating.
Then where you gonna go? Me not the woman you gonna come out back out here. Who you gonna carry come here? You gonna carry somebody in your house?
Me say, somebody come to
You
me.
tell the person you gonna look come for them.
You mean somebody can't come to me yard? Me say, I come to you.
You say you cheat on me?
Babe, what are you?
Are you cheating on me?
I'm joking, man. I'm not hearing you, man.
You're cheating on me.
Babe, are you not?
Are you gonna bring somebody to a house?
What you? What you hear me say?
You say you're gonna go for the person.
That means I can't come to
That
me
means
yard.
that regular you do them something here then when me not there for real.
How
And God
often-
make me do this then.
How often are you not home?
Enough time when me gonna hairdresser, when me gonna nail tech, when me gonna
Yeah, just we can be like 2 hours. What about we
No,
can
me
one day?
spend longer
So what, when we
hairdresser.
go back and go my busy whole day, but you call and I come and act like say, oh, what your problem?
So God make me do this then so me can find out what
No,
you
it's when humans do them foolish stop blame God. God is tired. Oh God, make you do it.
But me glad so me do it though.
You say do what?
So me know.
What you do? What is up you do? Tell me what is up here. You either better try to kiss my voice. Man, if you go to myself, you can't ask me to do nothing.
But you tell the person say you'll come.
When you know see that talk to somebody, who you know me that talk to? When you know say I'm bridging me tell you I'll pick up and play ball.
I'm being condom?
You give me that book on room?
Yes sir, Jason. And I was pranking you.
Wait.
Me did I prank you?
I probably that prank too, so me carry something for you.
You cannot prank me or you
Oh,
prank
God,
me and
no.
me not the one.
I never me pull from.
Oh you prank me and me not the one.
Baby, don't say the home.
You don't know you know what me the one now.
Believe me, did feel say the home.
Whatever, me don't want to hear nothing.
But I have to do nothing.
Me don't want to hear nothing from you. You can't go on. Go on where did I go? Go where you were gonna
Baby,
go.
you really believe so, yo?
Excuse me.
Baby, please me never do something.
Are you cheating on me?
Baby, believe somebody I do
So
something.
where you go?
When we did we go?
So you tell me where you gonna go? Excuse me, tell me.
You have to check my last phone call when I talk to.
What me I go want to see from?
You know you don't want.
I don't want to see it.
Let me say you don't want to know the truth then.
Excuse me, Jason. Move.
When did you put it there? Maybe look like a ball. I can't ball still.
Are them stuff that you doing?
Hey, look at the lady. Me come in here and see the camera. I'm posting one of your phone him left there, so.
What?
One of your phone him left here, so. As me come in here and posting, me say, one of your phone left here, so. And me come in here and look for water and see. The camera record.
Jason, even if me left my phone there, so I say nothing, because enough time I go up on the road and left my phone.
But it had me looking around. After I go and drink the water, it was. Maybe that throw water and I rinse out the water of that thing right here, so. We literally see it. And I even drop off and look catch where you set up. And we catch it back. You think you can fool me?
You have to see clips them to believe.
Well, I know. Since this time I'm going to pick up somebody. The first person up on top, wife. So yeah, I said. What are you saying? You get played by your own game.
What you want to talk?
Run!
Guys, you know be honest?
It's funny, yeah. Yeah, no, I don't know if I
Don't eat it, because you don't know if you pull it or not.
no, I want to pull you, make it, take it up around this, so I can see back. No man, the back easy picture, see that? It is a open.
Don't eat it, because you don't remember for you. Give me the chocolate one.
Babe, I love the chocolate one.
But I want some because I cannot eat that one. Because it's open and you don't know
No, but
if
hold on, and me just this up because I became on my food, my things.
Guys, you might talk it through. Me go watch back a clip. Me go watch back a clip. We know, guys. We know.
Where would this lock up in a closet, hello?
Oh, you think me did in the closet?
I don't think. You look like you're in there, son.
I wasn't in the closet.
Where did you?
Don't worry about it.
When did you, babe?
Don't worry about it.
Babe, you don't see you there.
Guys, if you're new to my channel, Jace White, thank you. Let me go watch a clip before I drink your juice so you can't come give me. Next thing you friend me up. Bye guys.